So question 14, we've got a circle. And here's the equation, and we're supposed to find the centre of the circle and the radius of the circle. And that will get us 3 marks. Now to do that, we've got to group the y terms together and the x terms together and complete the square individually on both of them. So rearranging, I get, okay, so my x bracket will be x minus 3, halving the coefficient. And this will give us what we want, but it will give us a positive 9. So I need to take that 9 straight away. Now the y's. The y bracket will be y plus 7 squared. Again, this will give us exactly what we want, but it will give us a positive 49 too many. So I take away that as well. And then, of course, the plus 33, and that equals 0. So putting the numbers on the right-hand side, I get x minus 3 squared plus y plus 7 squared is equal to, if you do the maths, this turns out to be 25, very conveniently. So the centre, the negative versions of these, is 3, negative 7, and the radius is equal to 5. And that's the answer to part A. So part B introduces us to a new circle. I think at this point it helps to draw a diagram of what's actually going on here. So the red circle is our original circle, radius 5, and the new circle is radius k. Now this has a variable radius, and we need to know the limits of k that will allow the circles to touch twice. Well, the diagram shows the limit of it just touching. So k has to be greater than this value here. So how do we work this value out? Well, we can do it by working out the true length of this line according to the position that the circles are in. So if I draw in this sliver of a triangle, this height here will be the difference in y's, which is 1. And this length here will be the difference in x's, which is from 3 down to negative 6. This will be 9. The hypotenuse is k plus 5. So I can say that k plus 5 is equal to the square root of 1 squared plus 9 squared, which is equal to the square root of 82. So the limit of k to start with must be greater than root 82 minus 5. Because if k is greater than that, this green circle will increase in size and will start touching the red circle in 2 places. But what do we do if that k circle, that green circle, keeps expanding? There is another limit, which is to be the limit when we reach the other side of the red circle. And remember, this distance is still root 82, and this distance again is 5. So the upper limit, and this is going to have to be less than root 82 plus 5. So all we've got to do is write this in set notation, and it will look something like that. And that will be the answer to question 14.